Imagine turning AI tools into a reliable revenue machine without endless trial and error. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a step-by-step framework that lets you identify opportunities, automate workflows, and monetize effectively. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how creators and entrepreneurs are leveraging AI to generate consistent income, and how you can start building your own system today. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and like, because this channel is dedicated to actionable AI income strategies and digital automation tips. Step 1. Identify profitable AI opportunities. AI can do a lot, but not all opportunities are profitable. Start by analyzing skill gaps. What skills do people pay to learn that AI can accelerate? Business pain points. Where can AI reduce time, effort, or cost? Scalable applications. What tasks can AI perform repeatedly without manual intervention? Examples: content creators to AI-powered script writing or thumbnail generation, and to designers Aero AI-assisted templates or design automation, entrepreneurs Aero AI chatbots for customer support or lead qualification. Tip: use AI trend data and forums to see what tools or processes are currently in high demand. This ensures your effort targets real market needs. Step 2. Structure your AI solution. Once you identify the opportunity, map your AI workflow. Input to AI tool to output to delivery. Put 2. Example: input, customer data or content idea. AI tool, ChatGPT generates content or insights. Output, polished blog, video script, or social media post. Delivery, automated email, social post, or digital product. This structure ensures every step is clear and repeatable, which is crucial for automation and monetization. Step 3. Automate the workflow now. Remove manual steps. Automation is the key to scaling AI monetization. Tools you can use: Zapier or Make Integromat to connect AI tools to delivery systems, Canva for automated design generation notion, or Airtable to organize outputs. The goal: one-click or fully automated processes where AI handles production and your system handles delivery. Step 4. Create monetization channels. Once the workflow is automated, decide how to capture revenue. Direct product sales to AI-generated templates, guides, or courses sold via Gumroad or Shopify subscription models, to AI tools generating weekly insights or reports, delivered automatically service automation to AI chatbots or content generation, sold as a done-for-you service. Tip: start with one channel, test it, then layer additional revenue streams. AI lets you scale multiple channels without adding proportional work. Step 5. Validate and optimize AI monetization frameworks are data-driven. Track engagement, sales, and conversion metrics. Use AI analytics tools to identify bottlenecks or improve messaging. Adjust pricing, delivery frequency, or product features based on performance validation. Ensures your system isn't based on guesswork, but on actual measurable market feedback. Step 6. Scale intelligently. Once validated, you can scale. Add new AI tools to your workflow, then produce more value. Automate upsells and cross-sells, then increase customer lifetime value. Expand marketing channels, then reach a wider audience without manual effort. Scaling in an AI system is different. The more structured your workflow, the easier it is to increase revenue without increasing your workload. Step 7. Maintain and evolve. AI monetization isn't set and forget. Continuously update AI models and prompts for quality. Add new tools as technology evolves. Review audience feedback to refine your offerings. A maintained framework ensures your system stays profitable and relevant, even as AI tools and market trends change. This isn't a shortcut. AI doesn't magically create money. It amplifies your expertise, streamlines workflows, and multiplies your time, turning your skills and knowledge into a structured, monetizable system. Front-load the effort, optimize your systems, and automation does the rest. The AI Monetization Framework is a step-by-step blueprint for creators and entrepreneurs who want real, repeatable income from AI tools. If this breakdown gave you clarity, like the video and subscribe, because next week I'll show how to combine multiple AI tools into a single revenue-generating ecosystem so you can scale faster than ever. Remember, plan, automate, monetize. Your AI-powered income system starts now.